Hey, what's up, everybody? We are back on board the Southport 33 DC Furuno install. I think we're day 4 on this install. Shannon is going to town. Thought I'd jump up on here because I'm busy out on the road, so thought I'd come up here while he's working on it still and get you guys some footage and an update of where we are. First, as we jump on board the boat, you're going to notice a whole bunch of spools of wire here. We prefer to use the Anchor wiring. That's a nice marine grade wiring. It will stand up to the rigors of what we do here. We like to use the best quality products to make sure we get the best possible success. As we talked about before on this install, we have our JL speakers all installed all the way around here, and it was no small feat, but Shannon managed to pull all of that spaghetti down to the amps down there. We're going to show you guys that tomorrow once we get everything all dialed in and tuned up. We're going to get it all nice for you guys and show you guys what that looks like. Like I said, Shannon's up here. He's working. He's going to town. He's doing the Vesper Cortex install right now and getting that all squared away. As we mentioned, this is a Furuno install, and you'll notice there's our Vesper box, there's our Sirius XM for the fish maps, there's the big boy sounder mounted in there nice and clean, then we have our Furuno hub right there, so everything stays nice and clean. Now, another way to keep the install nice and clean as we do this, we don't do this on a lot of boats, and I don't think a lot of people even know that this is available, but Furuno has a junction box. It's this little guy right here. It's a FI 5002. If you take a look right there, that guy right there allows us to run all of our NEMA wires directly into that box. No T's, no junctions, no anything. Everything is a home run back to that box. So you can cut all your cables to length and have everything work just how you want it. So it makes for a really clean install on top of everything else we've got going on, because it's a lot of wiring, and a lot of times you're not going to be, a 3-foot run there, but you're also going to be shorter than a 6-foot run. So that's just another cool little thing we do here to make these installs go a little cleaner and make it more workable. So that's it. That is day 4. We're going to let Shannon get back to work on this install, and we'll have more for you guys soon. As always, make sure to give us a follow: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, at Navtronics, or sales at Navtronics. And drop us a line. Love to hear from you guys. Peace.